Hi everyone, we're going to locate the absolute extremum of the function on the closed interval. And the first thing I want to do is take the first derivative to see if I have any critical numbers. So that would be negative 2x plus 3. I set this to 0 and my x would equal 3 over 2. So there is a critical number. I'm going to plug it in to get the point back into this. So f of 3/2 equals negative 3/2 squared plus 3 times 3/2. And that's going to equal 9/4. Alright, so that critical number is going to be at 3/2, and it occurs at 3/2 comma 9/4. That's your critical number. Now we got to also evaluate our left and right endpoints. So our left endpoint, when I plug in 0, that's just going to be 0 squared. This will be 0 plus 0 equals 0. So our left endpoint is 0 comma 0. Our right endpoint would be f of 3. So that's going to be negative 3 squared plus 3 times 3, which also equals 0. So that would be 3 comma 0. So if I write everything out, I'm going to put it in order of my y values. So my left endpoint occurs at 0 comma 0. That's your minimum. Your critical number occurs at 3/2 and 9/4. 3/2 comma 9/4. That's going to be your maximum. And your right endpoint occurs at 3 comma 0. And that's going to be also a minimum. And what you're looking at again is your y's. So our y's here are smaller, and they're both the same, so they're both minimums. My larger y is 9/4, and that's going to be your maximum. All right, and we're going to do this one, and we're going to look for critical numbers first. So this would be 2x plus 2. We set this to 0, so x has to be negative 1. So you're going to plug in negative 1 into your original equation, and when you plug that in, you're going to get, let's see, we get negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 4. So that's going to be 1 minus 2 minus 4, which equals negative 5. So we have 0 comma negative 5. Right? And then we're going to check our left endpoint at negative 1. And we already did that. So when we do that, what happens is it's the same as before. So these two are basically the same. So that's your left endpoint is f of negative 1. And your right endpoint is f of 1. When you plug in 1, you're going to get 1 plus 2 minus 4, which equals negative 1. So and this would be 0, negative 5, and therefore this one would be, actually this one is at negative 1. And this one's going to be at negative, this will be 1 comma negative 1. So you have a minimum at your left endpoint, which is negative 1, negative 5, and you have a maximum at your right endpoint, which is 1, comma, negative 1. And the reason this is a maximum is because this is bigger. All right? Thank you. That's it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.